Hi everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity Awareness Month. I'm Greg from Defo IT, and this October we are dedicating the entire month to helping businesses like yours strengthen their cybersecurity. Now you might be thinking, why is cybersecurity so important? Well, in today's digital world, cyber threats are everywhere and they don't discriminate based on business size. From phishing scams to ransomware attacks, every business is at risk. According to recent studies, nearly half of all cyber attacks target small and medium-sized businesses. This is because many smaller companies don't believe they'll be targets and often lack the resources to implement strong defences. And that's exactly what cyber criminals are counting on. When an attack hits, it causes severe financial losses, data breaches and reputational damage that can take months, if not years, to recover from. So this month, we're going to arm you with the knowledge and the tools to protect your business. We'll start with the basics like password security and recognising phishing scams, and then we'll move on to more advanced topics such as incident response, data encryption and cloud security. To get the most out of this month, I encourage you to watch each video and implement the steps we discuss. Cybersecurity is not a one-time action, it's a continuous effort to keep your business safe. So be sure to tune in every day this month, and to make sure you don't miss a video, head to the Defo IT LinkedIn page and give us a follow, and to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Let's work together to make your business more cyber resilient. Stay secure, and I'll see you tomorrow as we dive into the common cyber threats every business should know about. This knowledge is your first step to a safer digital presence.